you? I'm Ergonomic. Today I wanted to introduce you this model. This design is just similar design of one chairs which I introduced on my Facebook page before. The base and the height and the angle of the headrest can be adjusted. And this model, the backrest bracket connects the mechanism is made of aluminum, which can support the much more stronger and heavier people. The height of the backrest can be adjusted. You can see the function is very smooth. Very smooth and stable. Here has the elastic, which can adjust the lumbar support according to the people. It's also where control mechanism. This button control the tilt tension can be locked at 3 different positions. This is for sliding. This is for the height. And now I want to introduce you the armrest. First of all, the height of the armrest can be adjusted. And here can be swivel 360 degrees swivel, and the surface can also swivel and be up function. And I think sometimes for me, I pay attention to the function of things. Sometimes when we use the computer or do some reading, we wanted to put the chair much close to the desk, and the desk can support our elbow much better. So we need to make sure the height of the armrest is below the desk surface. Ordinarily, the height of desk is 70 cm, and when we make it the lowest height of the armrest, it's about 67 cm, so we can sit much close to the desk, support our elbow much better. Sometimes the height of the armrest is very high and can put into the desk surface, and it will be make people much more tired. This function. When we have a rest, see, we can adjust the angle. When we have a rest and we can sit chair and do some reading, we can adjust the armrest to the suitable angle you need. You see?